In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install the latest Realtek Network Driver for your Realtek Network card or adapter in Windows 11. So if you're unsure if you're using a Realtek Network Adapter, then there are a few ways that you can figure out if you are. The easiest and fastest way is to right click on the Start menu icon and then click onto Device Manager. You now need to expand Network Adapters, and straight away you can see that my network adapter says Realtek PCIe GBE Family Controller. Also, you want to take note that here I am using a Realtek PCIe because that's the driver I need to download. There are two different options. You have USB or PCIe. Most commonly it will be PCIe unless you are using a Realtek USB network adapter. So you can now right click on this network adapter and click onto properties. You can then click onto driver and you can see what driver date your network adapter is using. So as you can see, mine is fairly up to date. It's using a driver from 2021, but this might not be the case for you. You might be using a really old driver, so it's very important to ensure you are using the latest Realtek network driver, just because it can help improve the performance and stability of your network adapter or card. If you cannot see an option under network adapters for Realtek and you're still unsure if you're using a Realtek network adapter or card, then the next thing to do is head on over to the manufacturer website for your motherboard, and you should then be able to see if your computer or motherboard is using a Realtek adapter. And if that still does not tell you, then the next thing to do is go to the site where you purchase your computer or your laptop from, and you should then be able to figure out if you're using a Realtek network adapter from there as well. And if you're still unsure, then the next thing to do would be taking off the side of your case on your PC and having a look on the motherboard to see if you can see Realtek on your motherboard somewhere. And that'll give you a good indication if you are using a Realtek network adapter. But only do this if you feel confident, because you don't want to go breaking your computer. So to download the latest Realtek Network Driver, first you need to click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. You now need to select if you're using a Realtek PCIe or if you're using a Realtek USB FE. So like I just said, on Device Manager it said I was using PCIe, so I need to select on the top option, which will probably be the case for yourself as well. You now need to scroll down and you then need to select your version of Windows. So we're using Windows 11, so we need to just simply select this option here next to Windows 11 Auto Installation Program. You then need to click on Download File, and once the file has finished downloading, you now need to go to the location where the file's downloaded to. I'm currently in my Downloads folder. You then need to right click on the file that just downloaded and click onto Extract All. And you then need to click on Extract. You now need to double click on the setup file that's within the folder we just extracted. You will now have a window that looks like this. We need to press Next, and you then need to press Install, and it will now begin to install the Realtek Network Driver. And your network adapter might disconnect during the installation progress, so you will not have any internet connection while this driver is installing. Once the install has finished, you can then click on Finish, and we can now close down all the windows. If you now open Device Manager again, and we now expand Network Adapters, and right click on your Realtek Network Adapter and click onto Properties, and if we now go across to Driver, you will now see that the driver date has changed. And as you can see, I am now currently using the driver from October, and originally it was using a driver from January this year. And as you can see, the driver version has now updated to 10.53. So I am now using the latest Realtek Network Driver. So that is how you install the latest Realtek Network drivers in Windows 11. I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video and you liked it, then click the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.